This is a separable differential equation problem with the following conditions. Rewriting the problem, we have 1 minus x squared dy plus 4xy dx is equal to 0. Now, separating the y variables from the x variables, we have dy over 4y is equal to the negative x dx all over 1 minus x squared. Now, integrating both sides, we get 1/4 integral of dy over y is equal to the negative integral of x dx over 1 minus x squared. Since this one is easy to integrate, we will proceed with the other one. We will let 1 minus x squared as u. Du is equal to negative 2x dx. Negative du over 2 is equal to x dx. Substituting these values, we get 1/4 the integral of dy over y is equal to ln y. And 1/2 integral of du over u. 1/4 ln y is equal to 1/2 the integral of du over u, which is ln u. 1/4 ln y is equal to 1/2 ln, substituting the value of u, which is 1 minus x squared. To proceed, we will multiply both sides by 4. And we are left with ln y is equal to 2 ln 1 minus x squared. Applying the logarithmic property, we have ln y is equal to ln of 1 minus x squared squared. Ln y is equal to ln of 1 minus x squared plus ln c. Ln y is equal to ln of 1 minus x squared times c. Applying the anti-log, we have the value of y, which is c times 1 minus x squared, which we will be using for our next solutions. We will now solve the given conditions. So the first one, we have y of negative 2 is equal to 9. Using the value for y, we have 9 is equal to c times 1 minus, replacing the value of x, which is negative 2, we have 9 is equal to c times 1 minus 4 squared. So 9 is equal to c times 3 squared. 9 is equal to 9c, so c is equal to 1. We now have the value for c. So y is equal to 1 times 1 minus x squared for every value of x which is less than 2 negative. Solving for the next condition, we have y of 0 is equal to 2. Using again the value for y, we have 2 is equal to c times 1 minus 0 squared. 2 is equal to c times 1 minus 0 squared. 2 is equal to C times 1. So the value for C is 2. So substituting, we have y is equal to 2 times 1 minus x squared squared. For every negative 1 is less than x and x is less than 1. Using the last condition, we have y of 2 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to c times 1 minus 2 squared squared. 0 is equal to c times 1 minus 4 squared. 0 is equal to c times 3 squared. 0 is equal to 9c. So the value of c is 0. Substituting, y is equal to 0 for every 1 is less than or equal to x. Here are the following answers for each of the given conditions of the problem. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something.